Hello, I'm Martin Webster and I'm a master trainer of NLP, hypnotherapy, and I'm also the creator of HMS therapy. I'm the founder of the New Leaf program, and we have helped now for over 10 years lots of veterans suffering with post-traumatic stress disorder to completely change their life, some of which have gone on to no longer have PTSD anymore, and I'm one of those. So for me, NLP is life-saving. It's a tool, a way to use to apply skills and strategies and new belief systems that will allow you to achieve your goals and also help your clients achieve their goals. So let's begin the course then. So when we think about the aim of an NLP practitioner, the aim of an NLP practitioner is to facilitate emotional change in a safe environment, to help the client achieve their goals, to learn, develop and grow from every life experience that you've ever been through, to model change, and you're only as good as your last client. You're only as good as your last client. So what is NLP then? It's a set of skills and techniques that are designed to help you become a better version of yourself. It's a set of skills and techniques that will allow you to become the best version of yourself. So how was it created? It was created by Richard Bandler and John Grinder, who were two specialists in their fields in the world of psychology and also computer programming, and they looked at about modelling excellence. They looked at who was the pioneers in their field. They looked at Dr. Milton Erickson, they looked at Virginia Satir, and they looked at people like Fritz Perls into Gestalt therapy and stuff like that. With Virginia Satir, she was a family psychologist and was amazing with some of the language techniques that she was using to get results with her clients. And Milton Erickson, Dr. Milton Erickson, who suffered from severe polio as a kid but found with his voice that he could help people transform in their life. And if you watch a lot of the old videos, you see that he has a very gravelly voice. It's quite hard to understand, but the results he got were absolutely outstanding. So they're the three people that the founders, if you like, of NLP. And it was Richard Bandler and John Grinder who sort of packaged it all up. I came in very much later on in like 2010 when I started, and I was part of the movement that was involved with developing spectrum therapy, and then I broke away from that and I developed my own therapy called HMS therapy, which included the heart. So if you do go on from my NLP course and you start to progress further, then you'll go into HMS therapy, which is an intervention designed to help reprogram traumatic memories and also stuff from the past that may be causing emotional hurdles and blocks in your life. So let's begin the course then. That's just a little bit about me. Why learn NLP? If you want to become the best therapist out there and you want to get the best results from clients, NLP is a fantastic tool. If you're a counsellor, if you're a doctor, that will just take you to another level. The communication skills that you will have working with people will take you to a whole new another level. So let's begin then. What is NLP? So we've touched on a little bit, but it was Tony Robbins that coined the phrase NLP was about modelling excellence and modelling somebody that perhaps is getting results. Not modelling someone who you perceive as a failure, but somebody who's getting results in that field. And it could be, say, if it was the field of sports, running perhaps, you're going to model someone like Usain Bolt, who's getting the breaking in. You're not going to model somebody who's not won any races. So it's all about modelling excellence. For this course with NLP, we look at the definitions of NLP then. Neuro Linguistic Programming. What does that stand for then? So we have a little mnemonic called VACOG, which the V stands for is your visual sight, the A stands for auditory learning, the K stands for kinesthetic, touch, the O stands for olfactory, smell, and the G stands for gustatory, taste. That might come up in a test, so you might want to remember that one. So the definitions of NLP then is what we call VACOG, and that's how we sort of remember it. Also, if you can remember some of the founders of NLP, such as Fritz Perls, Virginia Satir, and Dr. Milton Erickson, and also the people that sort of modelled their work, which was Bandler and Grinder, who sort of came up with the name and the concept of Neuro Linguistic Programming. So thanks for watching the first module. Please continue into the second module, and there'll be tests as we go along. It's been a pleasure to have you on board for the first session, and yeah, look forward to working with you on the next session. Good luck and God bless.